Oh, testing, testing, 1, 2. We are live. We are live. Good morning, fellas. How are we doing on this fine Tuesday morning? We have internet again. Hallelujah. Praise the Lord. At least for now. At least for now, we've got internet. Hey, Timbo, you changed your name, Timbo. How we doing? Good morning, Tim Timmons. Fred Yeager, good morning. Jack Wiley, good morning. Wait, why? Hey, good morning, Design Knob. Joom is here. Trader. Wait. Why are you guys' names different, or what happened? K Trader, why are the names different? RXHX, Best Guess Trading. See, I noticed that the names are. Why is there an @ in front? V33. See, that is honestly annoying me. YouTube does that? Yeah, but it must be new because it wasn't like that. K Trader, Scalping with Tom, Didi Fading King, Jeremy Shaw, Trader Fref, username versus nickname. There is some setting. Okay, we got to find it. It's not doing on Midstream. I see. Hey, John. Good morning, John. Okay, we got to figure out how to change this. This is unacceptable. I know you guys by first name basis only. I don't know you guys based off of a random I don't know who you are. That's going to bother me like really bad. Mr. Skedaddle, I am Bruce Lee. Good morning, Clyde. Good morning. I mean, I can kind of remember some of you. Jeremy Shaw, G Foz. I am, yeah, but man, it doesn't look right. All right. I'm gonna look. Is there a setting? I assume there's a setting here. Okay, let me look. Nicholas, you're just yourself. I blame Kevin. Yeah, I'm down with that. I blame him for a lot of things. Don't tell him that. Okay. Settings. Where would I change? Okay, let me just Google it. I'm gonna watch a video here to find out how to do this. Why the Sam Hill? Of course, I gotta watch a guy talk for 10 seconds first. Settings, advanced settings. This guy has no clue what he's doing. All right, market pushing lower here. Sorry, I'm trying to figure out how. All right, we are going lower, folks. User management. Wow, look at this dump. I kind of expected that we might go lower here. Do you guys know how to do it? Most YouTube advice is outdated. It is. Hey, Tanush, good morning. Maybe I just have to relearn your guys' names, I guess. Let's go, John. I mean, I'm definitely bearish today. All right, we are testing the lows here. Okay, a little bit of a recap. Overnight trading. Hey, let's go. I didn't even see we're at 18,000 subs. Hallelujah. Hey, good morning, Daryl Bapty. That means, yay, we get to do a giveaway. We're going to do giveaways today. We finally got 18,000 subs. Only took like 3 weeks to get 10 subs, but hey, who's counting? What a nice short. Nice. Congratulations, anyone that went short and held. I'm strictly not trading this open so I don't get wrecked like I did yesterday. But yeah, our Lucid accounts, we had a little bit of a problem on our Lucid accounts. Literally could not. I was so frustrated. Is what it is. But we're locked out. We are locked out of our Lucid accounts. We're just going to accept that loss and move on with our life. It is what it is. It could be worse. Right now, the plan is we are going to be trading our very new, fresh, never been used. Well, I guess it has been used a little bit. We are going to be trading our Influencer Cup funded account. Let's go. By the way, Influencer Cup funded account. I'm very this is what it looks like. Just disregard this guy. This is this guy, but I guess we're the first ones to make it to a funded account on our so should be fun. I'm wondering how he's going to trade it. Is he going to YOLO it, or is he going to try to be very careful? I don't even care. Hey, thank you, Black Coffee. Hey, Tate, good morning. Hidson's 784, good morning. Guys, if I call your name incorrectly, just type in the chat what your name actually used to be. That actually annoys me so much. How do I change it? Hey, good morning, Pansky. Man, look at that. This is why trading. Hey, let's go. Design knob long at 488. Hey, it's looking pretty good. Let's see this thing rip. I'm still trying to figure out, is there some kind of setting here? Is there some kind of setting that I could do? So can I go viewer activity? Huh. Man, I don't know how to. How about chat participants? Scalping is probably not too bad right now. Yeah, I agree. Hey, nicely done. Let's go, Black Coffee. NC Pansky. What is your name? I recognize your logo and I can't remember your name. I only see like NSC Pansky 1. What's your name? Niles. Thank you. Thank you, Niles. That is so annoying. Oh, I just can't help myself. I'm so annoyed now. It's triggering my OCD. Gutenberg. Good morning, Gutenberg. All right, looks like we're just gonna dump this. Look at the daily chart. This is looking interesting. I mean, I'm after that. Oh, okay. So the way that my Lucid accounts got absolutely wrecked. I was actually very short biased heading into the overnight stream, the overnight trading. I was very biased to the short side. Like I was kind of doing like, okay, the volume was not that high yesterday. And I thought, you know what, we're going to see a big pullback or a dump. And so I was going short and I was actually up like $300 at one point on those Lucid accounts. And then I was shorting like the 940 area and I got absolutely wrecked on that. And I shorted again at the 960s, got absolutely wrecked. And then after we made this insane push higher, then I was like, okay, fine, maybe I'm wrong. So I kind of accepted that I was wrong. And I then switched my bias for the longs, went long here, got stopped out on this stupid move lower, really frustrated me. I mean, yeah. And then here, I got just absolutely destroyed again here. And then I chased on this move, like the 920s. I mean, I actually don't feel like I did anything like terrible. Wow, look at this dump. Wow, I got to pay attention here. Look at this 15-minute chart. We've got the 400s in play. Get ready, folks. This thing is she dumping, boys. But anyway, I don't even feel like I traded that terrible. Don't really feel like I traded that bad, but then I should have probably stopped trading after, I think I had 6 consecutive losses in a row. That's what did it. But I ended up, it was okay. I mean, I ended up locking myself out. Disaster averted. So, hey, John, Tradeovate risk control saved my account on that big pop. Oh, are you serious, John? Let's go. Yeah, that was so insane. And I was so, dude, I was trying to figure out what was the news. Like, why were we dumping like that? Okay, 15 minute close right here. Are we going to just keep dumping this? But yeah, I ended up locking myself out just so I don't make anything worse. But I was definitely frustrated. But so it goes. All right, getting a little bit of a move here off of the 420s. I'm gonna look. I mean, I think it's dumb not to look for a short here. Trump was saying he had a nice talk with China meeting is on. Bipolar Orange Man. I didn't even see that. M. Susan, I know that's you from your logo, but your username, it's not right. But I know it's you, M. Susan. Ace Undercover, good morning. Matthew, good morning. A Trader, good morning. Classic Man, again, I'm sorry if I don't have your normal names. YouTube is messing with me. Design. YouTube is transitioning live chat to show @handles instead of usernames to combat impersonation and spam by providing unique identifiers. This change is being rolled out gradually. Thank you, Design Knob. That's good to know. So basically, there's no way that we can change it. That's what we're saying. So guys, if you want to change, can you change your handle? Hey, Dean Bishop, BPCF Gaming, good morning. Pac West Photo, Facial, good morning. Mike Hawk. Now the question is, what happens if we test the lows 50, the early lows of 502? Yes, I agree. I mean, okay, my theory, at least kind of what I'm looking for today, I actually think right now, I want to see what happens if we retest like the 400s. If we retest the 400s and we see a really big bounce, then I'm listening. But until then, like, I'm going to be looking for shorts. Lost my Lucid as well on the same way. I was shorting, it went up and then it went long. Exactly, Clench. That was okay. UCLA, is that you? Oh man, I'm gonna have to just, you know what? I might as well just start calling you guys by your new name. I'm sorry. You guys are all getting new names, I guess, because I'm not going to be able to keep it straight. 007 Clench. Yeah, it was a frustrating overnight. If I just wait a little bit longer, I would have been fine, but in all reality, it was difficult to trade this. I mean, I was right. I had the right bias, but this move higher just completely threw me for a loop. And we paid the price. That's just how it goes sometimes. All right. Now I want to, this is kind of an area where I might dip my toe in here. Wrong account. This is insane how this price is moving. Like, it is ripping up and down so much. It's crazy. I mean, as long as we stay below like the 520s here, I feel like I'm trading micros for a reason, because we're going to have to be able to sit through 100 ticks, 200, maybe we're going to have to sit through like 50 points or so of whiplash if need be. But look at this. Wait, I did not mean to be in 4. Are you kidding me? I actually thought I was only in 2 micros here, but guess we're in 4. All right, market, we just need a good dump here. You can do it. Dumperooski here. Come on. Come on, market. Give me a follow through for once. Are we really not going to make new lows now? I'm going to try to be a little bit more patient. Got to be patient. Hey, from Niles to my channel name is going to be tough. And yeah, I know. I'm just going to call you Pansky, I guess. I don't know. I'm sorry. I passed those bigger apex thinking. Let's go, John. Okay, that is not what we wanted to see here. Man, this is so wild. Look at that move. Right back up. The whippiness is the real deal here. Man. And I almost want to have my stop like all the way up here. I'm not sure. And I feel okay with it, honestly. We're going to do it. There is a chance. I mean, this is what, the 420s. So we definitely. Or I just take my loss here and look for another entry. I could do that too. You know what? I like that idea better. We're going to take our loss, look for a better entry. There's no need to hold through that much drawdown. But man, it's crazy market. She crazy today. Be careful. Size down, fellas. Okay, go to channel customization to change your handle. There you go, guys. Guys, that would actually be awesome if you would do that. It would help me. I mean, you don't have to, but if you want to, that'd be great. Man, look at that pump. Right back up into that 21 EMA on the 2-minute getting hit. Man, that is so wild to see that big of a... I mean, I'm glad I just took that loss. I mean, now we got to wait. I feel like now we got to be a little patient here and actually decide, okay, do we want to Like right here is a place where I would short. Like I will short right here as well. So if we get a good entry, I'll take it. Like anything below this, if we make a move down below this 530, 528, we'll jump in. There's a chance we just go straight up. I mean, we're from the 420s back up to the 550s. 130 points, baby. It's nothing. No problemo. Well, okay, I'm canceling this. That is insane, man. Look at that rip. Wow. I tell you what, guys. Day Trader, good morning. Leon Powell. Abraham. I think the chat username thing is a setting. I don't know there is an Abraham. We did some research and YouTube is rolling it out across all platforms eventually. It just depends on when it's your time. Niles, let's go. Niles changed his name. Thank you. Artie Trades, good morning. So guys, if you want to change your username to what it usually is, which would be great, that way I can remember who you are, go to, if you go to Costa, where was that? Someone was telling me, okay, yeah. Go to channel customization to change your @handle, and then you'll have the right name. Man, this market is actually insane. Yes, go to channel customization, and then, but yeah, talk about a V-shaped move. Here we go. 570s now. We are about to test the 21 EMA on the 5-minute. This could be an opportunity. You know what? I will take a short here if we get it. I'm not sure we're going to get it, but I mean, this is just going straight up. It's insane. That is crazy, man. That is crazy. Hey, Pine Tree. Pine Tree is in the house. Good morning. How we doing? All right. Gosh, am I going to enter this? This is so sus. So sus, but I'm going to do it. I'm not going to hold this for anything too crazy here. Now dump it. You owe me. This might bounce right off of this. We're only in 2 micros, so I'm going to see if we can't get a move. Come on. Dump it. There's just, it's so bullish right now. It's crazy. This is in. I mean, if we get stopped, we get stopped. It's fine. Crazy, crazy market. Only goes up. It does seem that way. Market only wants to go higher. Even when it wants to go lower, it wants to go higher. It's crazy. Nice. Let's go. Stopped out scratch. This is looking like it might be a trend day up. I don't know. I mean, it's looking scary. I know that. This looks scary to try to be short here, but technically this is a setup, so I'm taking it. We get stopped, we get stopped. But if this rips back above the like the 600s, I mean, I don't know how else, but we almost have to look for longs. Crazy market. It only goes up. It's crazy how often we say that. It's crazy how often we say that and how often it's actually true. Yeah, we're getting stopped here. Rip. Why you be like this, market? Why? Why must you do this? My chart looks the same every morning. V-shaped moves. That's right. Come on. If we be back up and get new highs, it is officially a trend day up. Yeah, if we get, I mean, technically we probably need to get back above the 650s. Like, if we get above the 650s, then I think we definitely need to look at longs. I still have PTSD from last night when I was looking for shorts, and then we completely ripped it higher, got obliterated. Then I finally was like, okay, fine, I'll switch bias to long, and then we sold off the rest of the night. I'm a little scared of that. Daryl Bapty. The market is betting on Canadian futures trade in the Influencer Cup. It does appear that way. Can we get a miracle dump here? One time, baby. For the one time. I do like these wicks. If we can just hold. Give me a big dump. 100-point candle here. Come on. Is there a consistency rule in the funded? No, there is not, Tanush. Nope. Hey, M. Susan, let's go. Thank you for changing your name. Now I know. Hey, VAT J9V. I don't. Good morning. I'm not sure who you are. Matthew, volatility is back. It is definitely. Sam Owen, good morning. Yeah, we're getting stopped. This is just inevitable. Inevitable. And we're stopped. Okay, then. I guess we just, I don't know. Now I'm just kind of in no man's land. We just got to wait now. Shorts don't work. This is, I always get reminded of why I never go short. Why not just go long? Seems like it's so much easier. Until it isn't. Ay, ay, ay. That's a good breakout. I mean, now we're testing the 600s. I do not understand. On the other hand, my longs don't pay either. Design knob. Yeah, that's the worst part. Hey, Jim O, good morning. If I'm going to start copying all accounts again, Jim O, I am not sure yet. I'm kind of waiting to double check. I want to go at least a week without. I want to go at least a week where Quant Guard and everything is working great. Then I might, yes. You think the sell-off was a trap? I mean, it could be. I guess to a certain extent, we kind of filled 15-minute chart. I mean, we technically filled the gap. Kind of. I mean, not. We kind of filled the regular traded hours gap. Maybe, I don't know. But if you look at the 15-minute chart right here, we are still well in a downtrend. Like this needs to get above the 650s to really actually be, I don't know. This thing could still reverse and make new lows. And I do mean that. But I'm not sure how many bullets we got left or how many bullets I want to waste. Trying to find where we're going to start pulling back again. So that's wild how this thing just rips like that. 200 points like it's nothing. YouTube won't let you go back to Timbo. It says channel name already exists. Uh-oh, Timbo. Somebody's impersonating you. Ace undercover. The cross hair under the body of the candle. See, that's why we stalled before it broke above. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. I've been noticing something interesting in the charts. If you want to check it out, example, look at the 5-minute chart and look at the 2-minute, 2 candles. Biggest rallies happen on at market reversals or in bear markets. That daily we bounce off the 200-day. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's true, John. What about Joom? Design knob. You should change your name to Joom. How do you fix the name? You have to go to channel customization and change your username. Then it will update. Hey, Christian L. Thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah, I know, Leon Powell. It's very frustrating. I guess YouTube is making the switch. Does anybody else have it and then it switched back? Does anybody know? I mean, if someone knows how to do it, hey, happened to me 2 weeks ago on another channel, but it went away. Like, how do I change it? Ooh, now see, now I'm, do I? Do I want to try another short? This will be the last trade if we get stopped out here for real. This I mean, the Bears are just gone. Give me a move here. Come on. Still trying to figure out, is there a way to change? Man, this is so frustrating. Oh, you know what, market? Screw you. Rhythmic just went down. Well, I know it's, I don't know. I don't know why it's just my channel that this is happening to, but seriously annoying me. I need to reboot my channel. Like, how do I reboot my channel? Just restart it or what? I hate this market. I give up. I give up. You know, now is when the market's going to go lower. This is it. Just can't. That's unreal. This market is crazy. Hey, Dabda, good to see you. I don't think it's a bug. It's a new feature to stop impersonation. Yeah, that's what I keep hearing, but I'll just start a new channel. Yeah, that's what I heard too, Best Guess Trading. I heard that too. Hey, Bub Singley picked up 20 Apex 50Ks. Took 4 days to pass them. Day 2 today trading them. Where did that just... What? Hey, good luck, sir. Good luck, my friend. Good luck. Good luck, Bob. If we rip lower now, if this is the big rip lower now, I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but it's not going to be pretty. Yeah, what happened, Bob? It says message was retracted, but I don't know why. I didn't do it. I think YouTube did it, but I'm not sure why. Sometimes YouTube will remove messages randomly if they think it's spam or something, but I don't know why that, I don't know. No other live trading streamers right now have this. Really, Design Knob? So you're telling me I'm special? I guess we're special, guys. I guess we're special. Do you know when Trade-of-8 prop comes out? I mean, it's already out. No cap trading. Trade-of-8 prop is not a prop firm. It's just a rebranding. That's all it is. It's really nothing. I get the YouTube gold star. Okay, from Google. Some YouTube channels show a unique handle in live chat instead of the channel name to prevent impersonation and spam. This is part of a gradual rollout of a system. Yeah, that's what I keep hearing. No cap trading. Oh, you mean for Apex? I'm not sure. No cap trading. I'm not sure. I haven't heard. Start praising Trump and maybe he'll let you keep your channel. Orange Man, please. I don't know. Does he like being called Orange Man or not? Oh, the new chart software, Trade-of-8 Trade Copier. Okay. Yeah. That's so maddening. I don't know. Let's see. Is this just going to keep going higher? Probably. Really? Take Profit Trader Rhythmic is down? Let me look. I see. That's... And then it's back. It's great. Great channel. Best channel ever. I know Nutty. He's a friend of mine. Trump 2025. That's what he would say too. T-Count. Hey, good morning. Good morning. How we doing? I mean, we're just continuing higher. It's not even like... We're not even attempting to pull back here. Man, that's wild. Look at this rip. Now all the way back above the 650s. Unbelievable. Hold it. Where the market decides direction for the next long swing, whether it's a day or two. It could be. It's starting to look like it. Tate, yeah. I wish I could do like impersonations. That would be so funny. I would do it all the time. $650, $660s now. She is just gonna keep going. Wow. I got no words. No words, man. I don't know. I give up. I was wrong. Me was wrong today. Hey, Garrett, good morning. Glacier Gaines. Feel like that's not your normal name, but hey. I'm so annoyed by that username thing, though. $660s. Are there 3,800 other Tates out there? I don't know, Tate. That could be. Tate 3801, though, sounds pretty good to me. You're like, let's all short the 666s. Everybody together, short the 666. Oh, never mind. I'm just kidding. Let's not do that. What can go wrong? I don't know, man. This is insane. This is one of those moves. I mean, if you're trying to look for shorts, which I did, that is just cray. We are at the 700s now. Trade-A-Bait froze. You can't get back in. Oh, really? I seem to be. I'm on Ninja Trader Trade-A-Bait, but Look at us go. Why did I switch to the NQ from ES, Brandon? Oh man, I made that switch probably 2 years ago. 2 years ago at the time, ES was moving just so slow. That's why I made the move. But now, I mean, now I'm just sticking with NQ because it's what I know. There's the 700 level. I don't know how to trade this, guys. I really don't. I mean, that's wild. That is wild. I mean, we had the low of day. Remember when the 15-minute, as soon, like we literally, the 15-minute closed and right there was the low of day. Unless something crazy happens today, but that is not that I mean, that's pretty unusual. I feel like we literally put in the 15-minute candle and just boom, straight back up. I mean, very little pullback. Very, very little. It's just unbelievable. I thought I bought 2 micros at 557, took one off at 688. Turns out I only bought 1 micro. I was going to hold a runner. Oh no, Texas. I hate it when that happens. That never happens when you take a loss. That never happens when you then get stopped out and you're like, oh, I thought I took 4 contracts. And you actually only took 1 and took 1/4 the loss. Never happens like that. And we just go straight back up through the 710s now. I don't even know what to say. This is insane. This is deflating. This is actually deflating. Man, I feel bad. I feel bad for anyone that was DCAing on the way up. Those guys, moment of silence for all accounts from people that were DCAing on the shorts. Moment of silence. Thank you. Because there ain't nobody surviving this move. That's crazy. That is wild. That is a 300-point move. Jeez. All right, let's look at the 15-minute. 15-minute candle is closing in 2 minutes. This is crazy, man. I mean, that was, I don't know what to do. I mean, the next area we have we've got the 750s, so I don't know, maybe we want to test the 750s. I'm glad I got stopped out twice. Same, G-Fuzz, same. I'm just glad I took my losses, and it is what it is. These are the times when you look back and like, okay, I'm thankful that I just took my loss. Yeah, it is, David Knight, especially with these kind of moves. These kind of moves is what blows accounts. This kind of move is what usually blows accounts. Big move, a big squeeze with no mercy. Just zero mercy straight up. Unreal. Imagine, guys, imagine this pulls back and does a V-shaped reversal move lower. Imagine. If it does, I can assure you we're going to have an ugly day. It's going to get real quiet and real ugly in here. It is, Niles. I agree. It looks more and more like you called it. It definitely feels like one of them days where we just grind higher now, but I am not going to buy this first pullback. I think the first significant pullback we get is going to be violent. We're going to get a big pullback, and we're getting it right now. I mean, right here, this doesn't look like this big of a pullback, but this is 30 points. This is a 30-point pullback right here. This is where market volatility just can be very ugly at times. And now let's see, are we just going to go straight back up? I really hope not. I would not mind to pull back into like the 640 again. 650s. That would be nice. Oh, I see, day trader. I see. That makes sense. Daryl Bapty. Hey, how we doing, David Knight? Good morning. Good to see you. Took my loss on one account, locked myself out with Quant Card. Let's go, David Knight. Yeah, I locked myself out on my Lucid accounts with Quant Card, which, knock on wood, I don't want to jinx anything, but Quant Card has been working great for 2 days in a row. Let's go. Hey, Bob Singley, how we doing? Do I see myself selling a course that teaches your strategy anytime soon? Or some sort of mentorship? No, I don't see that ever happening. If you ever see me selling a mentorship or selling a course, then you will know that I am broke. I am going to be literally broke and about to be living on the streets. If you see that happening, you would not pay for 5K for it, Glacier Gains. No, you would not. I sure hope you wouldn't. Please never pay that much for anything of a that's not worth it. Listen, I'll tell you everything I know for free. How's that? I will do it for free. Only problem with that strategy is then I'll do it for free, but then I do not give refunds. I have a strict no refund policy on my mentorship. You can't give back money if you didn't take any. If you live in if you live in Florida, just get a DoorDash delivery job. Yeah, hey, I'm not below that. Look at this. We just go straight back up. I don't even know why. Okay, then fine. Just I don't know. I don't know, man. Feel like we were just totally on the wrong side of the market today, and it is what it is. Not the first day start I wanted on these influencer cup accounts, but actually guys, I need to tell you guys something. This is now this is between us. Okay? Don't go tell any other streamer this, okay? This is between us. Okay? But hey, this influencer cup, I'm actually purposely losing money on stream so that my competition, they are not threatened by me. That way they're like, oh, Nutty's in the hole. I got nothing to worry about. But well, what the real game plan is to wait until after stream. When I'm off stream, then I'll make my money. And then I'll come out the next day, I'll up 1,000 and it'll all get them by surprise. Big brain. We're playing chess here, not checkers. Or Chinese checkers. No, hey, just saying, it could be true. You never know. It could be true. Could also not be true, but who knows? I can't believe how this market is behaving, actually. Like that overnight move. I don't know. Maybe, I mean, I guess maybe the overnight move was just, that's all we wanted to do. Take out the 400s or 420s, and now back up we go. And we're just going to make new highs. $730s. I'm actually... It's actually insane. 420 or 720s. I mean, we're definitely slowing down a little bit, maybe, but the grind is real. I mean, it definitely looks like we're going to try to take out that 750 level. Everyone for trend days, my strategy is only go direction of trend long and get in on the 21 EMA pullbacks. Niles, yep. That is pretty much what I do. We're so far away from the 21 though that there's not really a trade here. losing money is my strategy too. Grant Thompson. The 4-hour chart for, yeah, I mean, I do look at the I mean, the 4-hour chart, it's just crazy. Like that 4-hour chart hits different. I mean, look at this insane 4-hour candles. 2 4-hour candles in a row. You don't see that a lot. But man, that's crazy, crazy. All right, let's just take out that 750 and then let's see what happens. I don't know what to do here. Okay, yes, you're right. Powell does also speak at 9:20, I believe. No, Pacific time. I think it's 1. Is it 1:20 or 12:20? I'm not even sure. But how do I'm gonna wait. I am going to be patient and wait. But man, I did not see this coming. Man, this looks like such a tempting short up here. Not that I'm going to take it, but we've definitely slowed down. This move is definitely starting to slow down a little bit. Good day for golf. Actually, I need to mow the lawn today. I get to mow the lawn today, so that's a good day. But, man, I wanted to... by the way, we restarted my trade day evals, in case you didn't see. So we got a decent first day on them. Is it going to go here or not? What's the plan there, market, my friend? Feel like we're due for a pullback, but I don't know. See if we take out that 750. Wait, you bought a robot lawnmower? Oh, wow. And drink on the porch and watch it work. That I couldn't do. That would drive me crazy. I need to be the one mowing the lawn. But I have seen those robot mowers. They're pretty cool, though. They are pretty cool. All right, market. See if we can break out. Can we break up through the 740, 720? There she goes. 740s. Man, it's wild. This market is on something. My motion accurate to a quarter inch and does all sorts of patterns. Yeah, I've seen that. It does give the lawn kind of a different look because you don't see the wheel, like the wheel marks like a normal mower would. So it has a very uniform cut on it. I think it kind of has a unique look to it, but I just enjoy mowing my lawn, you know? It's something about it. I just enjoy sitting on that mower, the hum of the engine, put in a good podcast or a good book to listen to with my earbuds, and just mow the lawn. It's like therapy. It's like therapy. Oh, wow. We had a little bit of a fake breakout. Now pulling back again. Is it actually going to pull back here? Feel like we need a bigger pullback. We just need to move back down into like that 660, 80 area somewhere. But it's having a hard time doing it. Yep, here we come. I'm going to have a very difficult decision to make if we do pull back to this 660, 650 area. Am I willing to take one more trade or not? It's going to depend on the setup. If the setup is good, I feel like I need to take it, but see, you know what the other problem is, guys? Look at what time it is. It's 10:48. We're about to hit the 11 o'clock hour. And you know what? You know what that means? This is such a typical setup. And I've seen this happen on NQ so many times where we have a very, very strong move, and then 11 o'clock hour comes in, and then we just start to slowly fade lower. And it is a very frustrating, it's very frustrating to trade it. Do I feel like I accomplished something for the day? Not really. I don't really. I feel like very unaccomplished at the moment. But the day is still young. Don't give back profits, Clack. Well, I'm not trading the trade to evals, and the other I don't have any profits to give back. So I think that's a bad... That's not a good thing, but We can't give back profits. We can only go deeper in the hole. And I don't want to do that. Man, look at that. Walk away around 11:30, red or green. Yeah, don't go deeper. That's true. I mean, I don't like trading over the noon hour. I definitely don't. And usually what I'll do is I'll walk away around 12. Actually, oh my word, I just realized something. I do have a lunch. I have a lunch scheduled with my, remember when I was for those of you that are still here or that have been here for a while, you guys will remember that, but I was 50-50 partnership with with the business that I owned, and my my other business owner, I sold my shares of the business to him. But I'm actually I'm gonna go meet him for lunch, so I'm pretty excited. I haven't talked. I mean, I've talked to him here and there, but not like sat down and had lunch with him for a while. So I'm excited to meet with him and just chat. So that's going to be I am meeting him for lunch at 12:30. So we need to wrap it up by 12. And trading over the Joom hour. What was the business? We did furniture. We did hotel and restaurant furniture. Like room furniture, like the bed, table, nightstand, TV stand, for hotels. And then we did tables and chairs, host stand, point of sales, bar display areas. That's what, like, that was our primary business. And I did drawings and the financials, and that's the portion of the business that I did back when I was still doing it. It's actually been a year. It is the anniversary of kind of when it was kind of the anniversary of when I was telling him, I kind of told him that I'm interested in like last year, exactly this date is actually when I had my first meeting with him to tell him that, hey, I kind of want to get out. So, and I'm very thankful. I know a lot of businesses that are 50-50, those can go sour. And I'm very thankful that we have a really good relationship and still do, always have, and still have a really good relationship with him. He's gonna pull up in a Lambo. Dean Bishop. That would actually be a flex. I'm not gonna lie. If he pulls up in a Lambo, I'm gonna be like, whoa, I got out at the wrong time. That would be funny though. That would be too funny. Uh-oh, look at this market. Yep, see? We're doing the 11 o'clock rollover. I hate this. I hate it. I'm going to wait. I am not going to jump in on anything here. But if we come back and test the VWAP and test this 15-minute opening range high and the 5-minute 21 EMA, we've got a lot going on right here at the 640s. I will try. I might take a stab at it on. I might take a stab long if we get back down to like that 640 area, but not. And if we just rip here, if we just rip higher here, it is what it is. We're just, I mean, technically this here would be considered an entry, but I don't know. I'm going to wait. I just hope this doesn't rip to new highs. Don't rip to new highs, market, please. Please, no. Don't go without me. No, don't do it. We hit my first target mentioned yesterday. Let's go, Cheroos. You're right. You're right. Mad cow. I'll pull up in my lawnmower. Oh, man. I don't even have anything to flex on. Actually, you know what? I can flex on him, kind of. I'll just tell him we have a home in Florida. I can use that as a counter flex if he pulls up in a Lambo. Very funny, Design Knob. It's too funny. Yeah, see, look at this. Look at this. Literally happening. It's doing the old, just can't go higher all of a sudden. Yep, I've been around enough to know when NQ is up to its tricks. Man, this is so tempting. Oh man, this is actually, can I resist this or not? This is so tempting to go long here. Man. It's just, it's almost too good not to take it. Gosh, I can't. I said I'm not gonna do it, and I'm actually gonna listen for once. This rips to new highs. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'll probably just cry. This rips to new highs. I'm just gonna cry, if that's okay. But I said I'm not gonna take it, and I'm actually not gonna take it. Can you believe it? Nutty Bar has discipline. What? Everything in my body wants to take that trade. Oof. Oh. How's the diet? Actually, great. Best Guess Trading. Thanks for asking. Thank you for asking. I have not. I promise. I promise. I promise. I have not had one Nutty Bar. I have been eating very healthy. No sugars. No soda. And no, what's the word I'm looking for? Not, no breads, no, there's a word for that. I'm blank. Help me out, chat. Canadian futures trader seems to be a cheater. 220,000 subscribers and videos only 2K views. Yeah. It's Christian L. It's called, let me tell you a secret. Hang on. It's called subscribers. We can't say that too loud here. Carbs. Yes, carbs. Thank you. Thank you, chat. We no carbs, and I feel great. And I haven't cheated, and I've been going on my daily walks. I don't know. I'm feeling great, and I'm very proud how I've been doing. Huh? Market, please don't make me cry. Oh. Nutty Bar Company is currently in a free fall. Yeah, Nutty Bar Company. Can you guys imagine if like I stop eating Nutty Bars and then like 3 months later, the company comes out and does a bankruptcy? I'm going to personally feel responsible. Here I was the Lone Ranger that was holding up the whole company. I'm sad. No, I'm not. I just. Oh, I often cut out sugar completely for weeks, and the energy levels I have off sugar is so much more. Really, Rob Judd? Yeah. I mean, I don't know. I need. Oh my word, market. Seriously. See. Now I want to puke. I feel like throwing up. Son. Feel like throwing up. Man. All right, you know what? That's sad. I'm sad now. I did say I can cry if this goes higher, right? I went on a high protein, no carb diet for 2 months. It was the worst I ever felt. I'd rather go through tilt than that. Really? Huh. Interesting. No, I feel great. Oh, nice, man, cow. Hey, Melvin, good to see you. Brought 2 150K direct yesterday. Oh, so I'm sorry, Melvin. Honestly, that 8 p.m., that was, yeah, I got caught in the same thing, Melvin. And that's why we have a $1,800, basically $1,900 loss on my Lucid accounts. I got caught in the same thing. Feels bad. What day is this on my fast? No, I did my fast last week. So I did a 5-day cleanse. So I did a 5-day fast last week, and now I'm just doing the keto diet. Basically, no carbs, no sugars, that type of thing. Oh, because he made me do 1 hour of Stairmasters every day. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's a big part of it. Very unfriend. P shenanigan. P shenanigan. Who? What? Oh, yeah. Oh, you're talking about that guy, CFT. Yeah, Chris, I know. I know. I'm going to be so upset if he wins. I'm actually going to be upset. Oh, my goodness. Look at that. I am actually going to puke. Oh. It was. I got no excuses. No excuses. No excuses allowed. But man, that was such a good setup. That's just dumb not to take it, I guess. But if it would have been a loss, you know, we'd be singing a different tune. But I mean, that's a perfect setup. It is. There's just no lying. There's no denying it. There is no denying that setup. That is picture perfect. If I was to screenshot, if I was literally to screenshot something, I would do this. Someone asked me, what's your strategy? What's your strategy, Nutty? I would use this as an example. I would go, well, we have a very, okay, let's use this. We've got a very strong move higher. We break above the VWAP. And then we wait patiently until we test this EMA right here. And then we have a bullish candle right here. And then once we break the high of that candle, our entry is boom, right there. And we take half off at the highs, and then we let it run. There you go. Clip it, put it in the mentorship program for $5,000. You're welcome. Disclaimer, sometimes it loses. It was a perfect setup. I mean, there's no denying it. No denying it. That is exactly that. I just told you guys, I showed you guys live on stream why it is easier to be a teacher than a trader. Being a trader versus a teacher is not the same thing. Did you see how easy that was? Did you see how easy that was? We should actually clip that. I should actually clip that and then just put it in my channel. And just if someone asks me, what is your strategy? Then I'll just share that video. Simple. Well, that is literally it. But anyway, other than that, we're having a great day. Took a couple losses. Love to see it. And then we take the one setup that's a perfect setup. We don't take that. We talk ourselves out of it. Talk about some great trading by Mr. Nutty Bar. Actually, you know what we're going to do, guys? To distract myself from not taking that setup, let's do a giveaway. 18,000 subs. Let's go. Giveaway NBT, exclamation mark NBT, for a chance to get in the duck race. We are going to have a duck race, and then we have from now for the next 5 days, we are going to be doing a giveaway every single day. Okay? So we're going to be doing a lot of giveaways the next couple of days. This is in celebration of hitting 18,000 subs. Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. I know some of you, most of you have been here since the beginning of time. No, maybe not quite. But most of you have been here a long, long time. I do appreciate it. I have probably some of the most loyal followers, I think, in the space. And I'm very thankful for it. You guys are awesome. Exclamation mark NBT. Doesn't have to be capital, but it can be. All right, let me see. What accounts do we want to give away? You know what? We're going to do one giveaway. The next couple days, we're going to do giveaways. And there are going to be days where you have to be a subscriber in order to be entered and eligible for the giveaway. So we're going to do some very OG giveaways. So I always love doing the OG giveaways. And man, I really, 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 really want to win this competition. I want to win this Influencer Cup because we can get $5,000 to give away to chat. And you know, if we win and we have $5,000 to give away to the chat, I'm going to do it with like minimum 3 months subscriber mode to do the giveaways, because I already know what's going to happen. Whoever wins the Influencer Cup, everybody's just going to flock to that channel to try to steal the giveaway. Not in this channel, you won't. We're going to close her down. Only the OGs are going to, only the real ones are going to have a chance to win it. Not so fast. All right, market did pull back. We did make new highs. We did take out the 760s. Now we just kind of wait. Now we just kind of wait and see what happens. Oh. All right, getting a little bit more of a pullback here. Back testing the 21 EMA here. Oh, let's go. Just got a very oh, I just got some very good news on a text message, but can't share it yet. Not a text, an email. I can't share it yet. Gotta wait. Ugh, I can't. I don't want to wait, but I got to. I'll share it as soon as I can. Chance to be in the duck race for an eval of your choice. That is right. NBT. Exclamation mark. NBT. All right. I want to see. I mean, at this point, I'm going to probably wait to trade until the afternoon session. We're just kind of slowly moving lower now. Back below this 21 EMA. I would still love for us to retest that 640 area. But I don't know if we're going to do that or not. Let's see. You got 1 minute left to enter the giveaway. 1 minute left, guys. 1 minute. Don't miss it. 1 minute. We will be giving away. I'm going to give you guys choice. So first, second, and third place. Actually, how do I want to do the giveaway? I guess we got to decide. I got to, you know what? That might get messy. Yeah, we'll do this. Okay, yeah, we're going to be giving away 50K Lucid accounts. We're going to be giving, excuse me, we're going to be giving away 4 50K Lucid test accounts. So basically, we're going to pick 15 names. The top 4 will win 50K test accounts from Lucid Trading. All right, getting that bigger pullback now. See, we retest that 640 maybe. Maybe. Okay, guys, the giveaway, you can no longer enter, guys. No longer can you enter. We are going to do the giveaway now. Give me a minute. All right, let's do this. It's kind of a, now we're going to have to do the giveaway, and it's also going to have the, it's going to have your names as your username instead of your nickname, but I don't know how else to do it, so I guess that is what we're going to have to do. All right, here we go. Here we go. How do I pick the, here we go. Okay, we're going to pick 15 names. 15 names, and good luck, everybody. Good luck. The first name is Leon Powell. Leon Powell. Okay, let's go. Familiar name. Here we go. Next name is Jesse Lada. Jesse Lada, I guess. I apologize for butchering names. Next name, Jay Booth. Jay Booth, 1968. Congratulations and good luck in the race. Next name is Ice Crexus. Ice Crexus, good luck. Next name is Mentally XX 9080. Next name is Lenny Alka. Lenny, good luck, Lenny. Next name is Vincent Fernandez. Good luck, sir. Cloud City. Cloud City HK. Good luck, sir. Next name, Brandon Emmett. Brandon Emmett, 3067. Next name, Peter Schaap. Let's go. Let's go, Peter Schaap. Hey, good luck, Peter Schaap. I hope you win. All right, now we're going to have to remove 5 names. Don't worry. You are still entered in the duck race. All right, next name, Martin P. Martin P. 8693. Good luck. Next name, Kenny P. Kenny P. 309. Next name, Cowboy 9000. Cowboy 9000. Good luck, sir. And here we go. Next name, Razor. Raise, sir. Razor. Good luck, sir. All right, here we go. This is the final name for the duck race. Final name, Peter. Peter Petrov, 7325. All right, good job, everybody. Let's go. All right, here we go. Are you ready? How's this market looking? Pretty mild. All right, let's do it. Duck race, 2 minutes. Here we go. Let's make sure we got the sound on. And is everybody ready? Good luck, everybody. Good luck. Peter is in, but he still thinks it's rigged. Okay, Glacier Gains. I'm sorry, right now it's just by random draw. All right, everybody. Good luck. And they're off. Here we go. The ducks are off. We've got Martin P. with an early lead in the Clown Duck. We've got Cloud City close, tied for first. And in second place, we've got Cowboy 9000. We've got Mental at the bottom of your screen. And then we got Jay Booth, Razor, Kenny P., Peter Schaap bringing in the middle of the pack. Now we have Mental. What is that? Mentally? I think it's Mentally. Mentally now has taken the early lead with Cloud City close behind. Now here comes Kenny P trying to make a move. Peter Petroff at the top of your screen. That's a name we want to keep an eye on. In the Santa Claus hat. Peter Petroff at the top of your screen. Can he pace himself? Here comes Cowboy 9000. He's trying to make a move into first place. And here he comes. And also, here comes Vincent and Fernandez. We've got 50 seconds to go. Again, you've got to reserve your energy if you want any chance to win. Here comes Brandon Emmett. Brandon Emmett in the pink duck now has taken the lead. But it is a very close race. It is anybody's race right now. Peter Schaap now, with 30 seconds to go, has challenged the lead. Here's Martin P. Razor is all the way. He's in the middle of the pack. Peter Petroff is nowhere to be found. Brandon Emmett, Martin P. and Razor are making a push for first. Here we go. 10 seconds to go. Who's it going to be? Razor, Brandon Emmett. Who's going to make that final push? It's a cluster. Here comes Jesse from the bottom of your screen. And there you go. Wow, what a push at the end by Jesse Latta. And he takes home the win. My voice. Oh, man. Okay, here we go. Now, the top 4 people, the top 4 ducks will win. So the top 4 ducks will be the winners. Let's see how it all played out. And here are the final and official audited results. No rigging. This has been third-party audited, very legitimate race. And this is how it's going to go. We have Martin P. 8693 coming in 4th place. And coming in 3rd place is Lenny Alka. And then rounding out the top 2, we have Peter Schaap coming in 2nd place. And then coming in 1st place is Jesse Latta. Peter Schaap pulled out a victory right at the end. Let's go. I somehow missed it. All right, let's go, Peter Schaap. That's awesome. Okay, I'm trying to see Martin P. Where is Martin P? Okay, so this was 1st place. Okay, this was 3rd place. Okay, the clown duck ended up getting 4th place. I mean, he had to be very close on mental. Mental must have missed it by a whisker. Oh, man. All right, well, that was fun. Oh, man. Okay, this is how you will win. So I'm going to put in my email. Okay, there is my email. All the winners, please email me as soon as possible and take a screenshot of your channel name that shows your username. And that way I know someone isn't trying to impersonate you. And then I will send you a code for a free 50K test account from Lucid Trading. So thanks, everybody. That was fun. That was fun. Thanks for playing, everybody. Again, we're going to be having giveaways for the next 5 days. So make sure you tune in. Top 6, Leon Powell. Let's go. I forgot to look. I even hate to bring this up. Peter, I hate to bring this up, Peter, but Peter Petroff, he came in 12th place. Ouch. Ouch. I don't know. It's unfortunate. You hate to see it. You hate to see it. But again, these results are third-party audited, so no, you know, not you will hear some rumors of duck races being rigged. You will hear some rumors, but they are rumors with Zero evidence. Just remember that. Let's go. Let's not talk about it, Peter. I did not mean to rub salt in the wound, but maybe take that duck back, you know, and maybe, I don't know, you need to have a pep talk with that duck. Zero evidence except for the results. Oh, man. All right, market is starting to kind of chop back and forth, but right now we still got to be very bullish. I mean, everything is looking like we're going to make moves to the upside, but I don't know, just got to wait and see what happens. See if this EMA kind of holds. Kind of surprised that we don't see this thing try to make a move higher or a move lower into the 640s, 650s even. But, you know, yeah, I don't know. I definitely wouldn't be surprised if we see this drop lower. Definitely wouldn't be surprised. Hey, all right. All right, thanks everyone for sending me that email so quickly. I still need one email. I think 3 of you have sent me the email, and I'm still waiting for one more. Yeah, I mean, right now, this is just starting to look kind of like, I don't know, looks like this wants to go higher, but it's also lunchtime. This is pretty standard lunchtime chop. So kind of just okay with Definitely okay not trading this. Just sent you my email. Okay, Tate. If you sent me an email, you should have a response from me. You should have a response from me. Wow, look at that. There she goes. Oh, you didn't win. Tate. Very funny. You got me. Yeah, you got me. Hey, there you go. There we go. Thank you, Jesse. Thank you, Jesse. All right. There we go. All the four 50K Lucid test accounts have all been sent out. Thank you, everyone, for participating, and congratulations to the winners. And we are going to make new highs. Unreal. Wow. Okay, then. Okay, then. I feel like today's one of those days where I don't know. I don't know how to feel, because I don't like doing hindsight too much. Hindsight is not healthy. But we took a trade here. We took a short trade here. We waited until after 9:45 to trade, which was good. That's what we agreed to. We just never got a follow through to make new lows. And I mean, technically, the shorts that I took, we were still below the VWAP. In the longer time frame, the 15-minute chart, we were still in a downtrend. It just didn't work. I feel like we didn't take any like terrible trades. The only thing today that I would really ridicule myself is we didn't take the good trades. You know, this trade right here, picture perfect setup, didn't take it. And honestly, we got another one right here and we didn't take it. So just some missed opportunities, and it sucks. It's unfortunate, but it is what it is. Whoa, what's this? Whoa, Bessie. Some volatility. That was a big rip lower from the 60s. Man, woof. Yeah, Weezer fan, I saw it. I'm kind of done for the day, at least. I don't want to. I usually don't trade over the noon hour, but today actually the setups seem to be pretty decent. But man, what was that move? That was wild. It was an algo bomb. Oh yeah, you're right. We've got Powell talking. Yeah, then I definitely don't want to be trading. Honestly, I might not even trade the afternoon session, because if volatility is going to be high, I probably should just sit it out. Just wait it out. Whoa, look at this move. Like, that's what's crazy. This candle is a 50-point candle. Like, that's a 50-point candle. Actually, no, I'm wrong. It's a 60-point candle. 60 points, 240 ticks. One mini, and you're down $1,200. That's wild. That is crazy. Is there some kind of news right now? Is there some kind of news right now, or what's going on here? Yeah, K Trader, that's maddening. That's actually, that is very frustrating. If you've got a trade going and it's going so well, and then you get one of these spikes. I don't even know what this is. It almost feels like a news event of some kind. I don't know what's going on, to be honest. Oh, huh. Please, Weezer fan, you should. I should actually do a poll. I should do a poll, but I don't want to even know the results. But no, I think you were kidding. But you should never take my trades, you guys. I mean, I feel like I shouldn't have to say this. If you've been watching me trade for any amount of time, you should know not to take my trades because, well, just because. Need I say more? Hang on, I need to do. Yeah, you know what? I think I'm going to wrap it up, folks. I think I'm going to wrap it up. I use you as a reverse indicator. See, Niles knows. I don't want to know if you reverse. I don't want to know if you fade me. I don't care if you fade me, but I don't want to know about it. But fading me is probably overall 9 times out of 10 might be a better idea. It just depends. It depends on the type of day I'm having. You can usually kind of tell. But man, this market is actually insane. 60-point pullback. Don't worry. 60 points of drawdown. Nothing to see here. We just go 60 points right back up. Nothing to worry about. It's insane. It's insane. Block the noise. I should sell a reverse nutty. I should hide. You can't watch the stream. No, I'm not sure. How would I do that? Wow, look at that. Breaking out 780s. Got to be kidding me. Man. Wow. I'm just so surprised. I mean, this is turning into a very bullish day, and it's kind of crazy. Imagine we take out that whole move in the overnight session. Imagine we go back up to the 25,000s today. I mean, and we could go back up to the 25,000s today. And that's wild. That is wild. Wild, but possible. I just don't know, man. We only go higher. All right, guys, I'm going to wrap it up. I'm going to head out for a lunch. I've got a lunch meeting with a good friend of mine, and we'll be back tomorrow. I hope you guys are all have a green day. Definitely not my best day. It's not terrible, but could have been better. Definitely could have been better, but it's okay. And hopefully we'll turn it around tomorrow. All right, take care, everybody. Appreciate all you guys. Hit the like button on your way out if you don't mind. Take care, and God bless.